We need to remove this little plastic holder, and to do that you have to pry a couple of tabs with a screwdriver. Just gently pry them up so that they'll slip past the part that's holding it. The only other item on these remarkably simple to remove headlamp assemblies is a 7mm screw up in the upper right. Later in this video we're also going to brighten up those cloudy headlamp assemblies. Then we can simply pull out the assembly. Now we're going to unplug it so we can work on it on our bench, which you don't have to do if you're just replacing the bulbs. First up is the side marker bulb. You twist them all counterclockwise to take them out if you haven't done these before. Okay, this is the low beam. Now we're missing that black screw-on cover, which I'm going to attempt to locate one. Now this bulb is halogen, so are several others, so I'd recommend wearing gloves to prevent getting oils on them. This is an H11. Next up, high beam. Might be better to unplug it before you try to twist it out on this particular one. H9. I could not get this one to seat in there while it was plugged in, so I unplugged it, and now I'm plugging it in once it's seated inside the hole. Next up is the turn signal, or as some call it, the parking light. That's a 3157. It's like HAK. Now let's make a little effort here to restore some of the clarity on this thing. Man, it is cloudy and ugly. So we're cleaning it first, just some glass cleaner. This Meguiar's product, Plastic X, works pretty well. I've used it in the past. And before it dries, just go over it with another towel. I'm going to do this 2 or 3 times. Since this lens is extremely cloudy, I went over this, I think, at least 5 times. Okay, this is about the 5th time now. And this is as good as I can get it with this product, 5 to 7 applications. 2 coats of this. 3 to 5 minutes. And then a second coat. This coating needs to be reapplied about once a year if you want to keep them looking this good. There's nothing too tricky about this. You just have to insert the pin in the hole. Now we need to treat the passenger side. Well, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.